Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing more things. Right here, we have two boxes, and we're going to unbox them now, guys. I have a top-down camera, and it's kind of in the way. It's working. It works. I think it's working. It looks like it's working. Okay, hopefully it works throughout the whole video, because this entire video is relying on the fact that it works. But yeah, so far it's working. Now let's start with this package first. Let me see if I can... There we go. Oh, wow. You can just lift it out like this. Oh, why is it not? Oh, alright. So, you gotta move it out somehow. What is happening? Oh, there you go. Don't need that anymore. And, this is the iPad Pro Smart Folio case, which, I mean, you can use the iPad Air, the latest iPad Air with it, but it is, in fact, the iPad Pro or iPad Smart Folio, and there's my iPad right there. So not gonna take it off the magic keyboard case, because why would I do that? And so what we all been waiting for, the grand reveal. What is in the bigger box? It is, in fact, oh, you're getting a little teaser right here. You're getting a little teaser. What is it gonna be? It is, in fact, oh wow, that's weird, it's upside down. It is, in fact, an iPad Pro, Apple certified refurbished. The 2021 iPad Pro, just kidding, it's the 2020 iPad Pro. Well, what? I already have one of these. Why do I need another one? It's not for me. This is a lot cheaper than this, because this is a refurbished one. It's basically like new, since it comes from Apple and they give you this special box. So I'm going to take off this wrapping little tab thing. Oh, geez, that was a little difficult to... No! Anyway, I don't know where we stopped off, because the camera app died or crashed for some reason. Don't know why. I thought I lost all the footage, and I just started unboxing it. Would have been very depressing if I got through the whole thing and it deleted it again, but here we go. Alright, now let's get this out of the box, or out of the paper, the plastic, it's not paper, and let's unbox it. See what the Apple certified refurbished looks like. If this thing can get out of the box, that'd be nice. There we go. There we go, look at that. It's pretty much the same as the other one, the other box. It just doesn't have like the nice picture and stuff in the front. Let's pick it up. Ooh, wow, it looks exactly the same as the other one. I wonder why. Let's unwrap it. There it is, the 2020 iPad Pro. Is this taped on? Okay, no, it's just this part was holding it. Okay, there it is. Not even a fingerprint on it. It's got some specks of dust, but hey, look at that. It looks perfect, actually. Except for like a grain of dust that probably got in there whenever I was opening it. Looks exactly the same. Obviously. But let's take out the case before we get the rest of it. So this is the case that he got with it. And there we go. And let's take this out of here. Now, it looks like there's some, like, dirt or something. I don't know if this is certified refurbished. It doesn't look like it. But it looks like it has some dust here. Like, some dusty things. Obviously, it's not like it's... we're gonna get rid of it just because of that. So, let's take it out of here. Take this filler piece. I guess there's nothing else in here. I guess why would there be anything else in here? So let's take this out, and there is literally nothing else in here. So this is the case. Looks pretty nice. Now let's put it on the iPad itself, and I can't really turn it on because I gotta set it up later. So yeah, here it is. That looks pretty nice. It looks really nice. And now I got two iPads. I'm gonna keep this. But yeah, this is pretty much the same as this. Well, it is exactly the same, except for the fact that this has 128 gigabytes and this one has 256. I mean, that's pretty cool. But the only thing I'd say about this case is that it doesn't protect the edges. Like if you drop it, it'll probably hit the corners. But if you don't drop it ever, like me, then you won't have to worry about that. Okay, let's finish off this box unboxing by taking a look at what it comes with. So we got Paperworks type thing, and I think we got some Apple stickers, maybe. Maybe we don't have Apple stickers. Doesn't look like we get Apple stickers. Interesting. Maybe that's just a certified refurbished, not sure. But we also get a, I'm pretty sure this is 18 watts, 20 watt power adapter. Interesting. I thought it came with 18. I'm pretty sure mine came with 18, so I guess you're getting a little bit of a bonus just by buying the certified refurbished, I guess. And then the USB-C to USB-C cable, as you can see. And that's it for this unboxing video. There's not really much else to say. If you want to watch my review of the iPad Pro, make sure you go look at the top right hand corner. If it's not there, it'll probably be at the end of the video, and the top right hand corner is probably this side. My right is this side, but your right is this side. It'll be probably there if it's not at the end of the video. If not, then it's in the description. And if not, I don't know, look at the other videos on my channel. And yeah, this is it for this unboxing video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.